Hey everybody, welcome to Gigi's Kitchen. I'm so excited to teach you today about CBD brownies. And you might be saying, why? Well, because it has helped me so much in my health walk.
First of all, I think that there's a legitimate medicine in here. I think we're talking about something that could actually really help people.
A lot of you know the health issues that I've had over the last year and a half, 2 years, probably more like 3. Some of the things that have really helped me so much is getting myself off of all of my medications. And that is so exciting to me because I felt like a zombie for the last few years because, now let me give props to the doctors, they did an amazing job, but there are some healthy options out there for you, and CBD oil has totally changed my life. So what I'm gonna make today, because most people love brownies, is I'm gonna make CBD brownies the Gigi way.
CBD is a hemp extract that comes from a strain of the cannabis plant, but won't leave you dazed and confused. Chef and nutritionist Teresa Hansen explains.
Cannabis is the plant that it's all derived from, and legal CBD is derived from hemp that has less than 0.3% THC.
So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I wanna mix all of the wet ingredients first. Put the oil in first, then we're gonna put in the applesauce, we're gonna add water. This has to be pure vanilla extract, not the imitation brand. So we're gonna put that in there. Get all your wet ingredients all mixed up first before you even go into mixing up the brownie mix. Okay, now the other thing that you wanna do is, now I'm adding this is the Gigi brownie. I'm adding hemp powder, it's protein powder, and I'll show you where you can get that later, but you wanna dump that into the ingredients. And then you also can add hemp seed. So I figured the more the better. Hemp seed is something that's very, very popular, of course, along with the hemp powder. You can buy it anywhere just about, but these are pure, and I'm all about the pure stuff for sure. Okay, so that's that. So that's the dry ingredients, all mixed up in here together. Now what I did tonight, just as a little cheat, is I used Ghirardelli. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I think it's Ghirardelli. And that's what I'm using tonight, but you can make it from scratch, and I'll show you that another time. But now here is the most important ingredient of all. So anybody out there feeling stress and anxiety, have skin problems, acne, any of those things, but chronic pain. A lot of my friends in my age group, you know, I'm in my 50s plus, but it doesn't matter if you're in your 50s plus, you can be younger. But if any kind of pain, rheumatoid arthritis, phenomenal for that. Your knees, any place else you're feeling it. Inflammatory bowel disease, fighting cancer, high blood pressure, and the brain. I was always so flippin' foggy from all the medications. So it's important that you understand this is the main ingredient of the hemp brownies. So what we're gonna do is, because I'm making a double batch, is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use 2 full droppers full of it. So you just wanna go ahead and squeeze it up to, that's about a full droppers full right there. So we're gonna put it in again to the actual ingredient that is all liquid, because you do not want to put this just in the powder. If you put it in the powder, it would stay in a clump and it would not distribute evenly. So what we're going to do is put 2 drops in there. So I'm putting 1 full dropper per packet, and today I'm doing a double batch because we're headed to the yacht and we're celebrating Father's Day weekend. So I'd go ahead and just mix that all up in there. Over here we're going to mix in all the other hemp powder and the hemp seeds. I don't know that I have felt this healthy in a long time, but the hemp seed, the hemp powder, the hemp oil, it's just a game changer for me. And I can't tell you how excited I am. I better keep going because I might tear up on you. Then we're gonna put in the liquid. So delicious. Now you might be wondering, what are these lumps right here? I added extra chocolate chips because I love chocolate. Dark chocolate is really good in antioxidants too, so don't worry about adding it in there. Just make sure it's dark chocolate. So that's what I did. Okay, here's the deal. I don't want to waste any hemp, so it's all around the side of my bowl. So what the heck? Got it. Of course, I love hemp seeds, and you can add this to yogurt and all kinds of food, salads. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna top our hemp brownies with some more hemp seed before I stick it in the oven. Hemp seeds on the top. because they'll be beautiful and toasty. And the more hemp seeds, the better. So we're gonna stick it in the oven for, let's see, 325 degrees, and we're going to put it in here for, I'm gonna cooking time it, and it says for 45 minutes. So we're gonna make sure we time it right. Don't wanna overcook it. There you go, white chocolate chips. This is what we're gonna drizzle on the top. All you do is stick these in the microwave, that's it. And look, I've got hemp coffee in it. And look at my saying, go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. And that was Thoreau. Who wrote that? Hemp coffee, phenomenal. I'm gonna teach you how to make the best cup of coffee in my next video. I'm gonna check him out and see they're not all the way melted. I'm going to put, of course, a dropper of hemp oil in there. There you go. This one's actually peppermint. And what's so cool about chocolate and white chocolate and peppermint is everybody loves it. And peppermint's so good for your stomach. Smells delicious. Oh my gosh, it's just like going to the store.
Cameraman's dipping.
Okay, cameraman's dipping, I'm dipping. Oh my gosh.
Dang, that tastes amazing.
It is just like going to the candy store to buy a peppermint bark.
Damn, that is good.
Isn't it? Finished product, and I cut it in squares already. So now I make mine ooey gooey. So I'm going, because I put a lot of chocolate chips in there, so I'm going to take out 2 pieces at a time here. And pray they come out in one. And they do. So look at that. All that ooey gooey chocolate. Nummies.
Yummy.
Now, you cannot put on the white chocolate though until it cools down. This is our finished product. You can make it any way you want to. You can put ice cream on it, you can sorbet on it, whatever. But who would ever know that that is a CBD brownie that's full of nutrition and so many benefits, as we mentioned earlier. So there you go. Bon appetit.